Welcome to today's mindful moment. You can do this exercise wherever you like, walking from A to B, sitting, standing, or lying down. So take a moment to get comfortable and close your eyes, unless you're walking, of course. Start by breathing in through your nose for 3 counts. Hold at the top for 3. And exhale through your mouth for 4 counts. And again, in for 3, hold for 3, and breathe out for 4. And repeat this to yourself a couple of times. In for 3, hold for 3, and breathe out for 4. On your next inhale, breathe in through your nose for 4. Pause for 3, and breathe out through your mouth for 5. Again, in for 4, hold for 3, and out for 5. Repeat this to yourself a couple of times. For this last round, breathe in for 5 counts. Pause for 4, and breathe out for 6. In for 5, pause for 4, and breathe out for 6. Repeat this to yourself a couple of times. At the end of your next breath, open your eyes if they were shut. Bring your shoulders up to your ears and hold them there for 3 counts. And then let them go, letting go of any tension and allowing them to hang free. This exercise strengthens our ability to lengthen our breath, which, like anything, is a skill we can build. So good work with today's mindful moment, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.